और ये आज भी कहीं पर हुआ होगा और ये लोग दबा रहे हैं। तो हमारे प्रियंका गांधी जी ने एक नारा दिया है, मैं लड़की हूँ, लड़ सकती हूँ। तो अब मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूंगी कि वो कृपया हमें संबोधित करें।
आप सबको सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि आपने मेरा इंतज़ार किया और मेरी बातें सुनने के लिए आप यहाँ आए हैं। इसके साथ साथ मैं श्री पी चिदम्बरम जी, श्री राजेश फालदेसाई जी, श्री गिरीश चौधनकर जी, श्री दिनेश गुंडूराव जी, श्री श्रीनिवास जी और उपस्थित नेतागण सबका इस सभा में स्वागत करना चाहती हूँ। अब यू वांट मी टू स्पीक इंग्लिश और हिंदी? 3 English, rest are Hindi, I think. Hindi? Mix. Okay. Okay, I'll try mix. तो सबसे पहले मेरी बहनें, मैं आप सबको देख के बहुत ही खुश हूँ और आप जानती हैं कि मैं ख़ास तौर से महिलाओं के लिए लड़ रही हूँ। मैं समझती हूँ कि देश, समाज, हर परिस्थिति का बोझ महिला उठाती है। हमें अपने घर में भी बच्चों की परवरिश करनी पड़ती है। घर के परिवार के जितने भी सदस्य हैं उन सब की देखभाल करते हैं हम। उसके साथ साथ हम काम करते हैं, कमाते हैं। तो एक बहुत बड़ा बोझ हम महिलाएं उठाते हैं। मैं समझती हूँ कि हम इस आबादी की 50% हैं, तो हमें उतना ही हक मिलना चाहिए। अब आपके हक क्या हैं? रोजगार, जॉब्स, शिक्षा, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, स्वास्थ्य, ये आपके हक हैं। ये जब कोई सरकार आती है और आपके लिए स्कीम्स बनाती हैं, आपके लिए पॉलिसीज़ बनाती हैं, तो ये आप पे कोई एहसान नहीं कर रहे हैं। Nobody is doing a favor to you by providing you with jobs, education, health, and proper conditions for progress. Nobody is doing a favor to you. These are your rights. You must demand your right. How do you demand your right? The best occasion for you to demand your right is the election. If you allow political parties to come on stage like this and have discussions with you which have nothing to do with your progress, have nothing to do with your future, have nothing to do with protecting you, have nothing to do with giving you jobs, providing you education, providing you health services, then you will continue on the path of the kind of politics that has been running Goa for the past 10 years. 10 सालों से गोवा में आपने एक तरह की राजनीति देखी है। उस राजनीति में गोवा की जनता की आवाज़ की जगह नहीं है। आपकी समस्याएं क्या हैं? रोज़गार, आपको जॉब्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं। तमाम नौजवान हैं, क्वालिफाइड हैं, पढ़े लिखे हैं, आपने मेहनत की, आपने एजुकेशन दिलवाया, लेकिन जॉब्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं। सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये है। उसके बाद आपकी सबसे बड़ी समस्या महंगाई है। आज गोवा में सब्जी, फल बाहर से आके बिक रहा है। You are getting fruits, vegetables, meat from outside over here. Prices have risen so high that you are unable to cope with them anymore. पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम इतने बढ़ चुके हैं, तेल, केरोसिन, सरसों का तेल सब बढ़ चुका है। आप गैस सिलेंडर आपको मिला तो उसको भर नहीं सकते, आप नया खरीद नहीं सकते। ये परिस्थितियां हैं आज। मुझसे अच्छा आप सब जानती हैं कि कितनी मुश्किल, कितनी संकट में आप हैं और कितनी मुश्किल परिस्थितियां हैं। You all know much better than me the kind of lives that you have to face, the kind of difficulties that are before you today. The rise in prices, no jobs, even if your children are qualified, you have worked very hard to educate them. You know that many small businesses, shopkeepers, small manufacturing units have almost shut down in Goa. The effect of corona was very heavy here. because the tourism industry here suffered greatly with all the waves of corona, with the lockdown. You know what the government did to support and help you at that time. It's still lying about the deaths due to oxygen. The government did everything to protect itself, to prevent the world from knowing the truth of what was happening, but it did nothing to protect you. तो आज आप इन परिस्थितियों में हैं. आप जानते हैं कि सुबह उठते हैं, रोजी रोटी कमाना मुश्किल हो गया है, बिजनेस डाउन हो रहे हैं, तो आप क्या करेंगे इसके बारे में? मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या पिछले 5 सालों में आपकी ज़िंदगी बेटर हुई है? Has your life improved in the last 5 years? Yes or no? Nobody's life has improved in the last 5 years. Has the government provided you with anything in the last 5 years that has helped you go through them? All these difficulties. Nothing? Not even mask. Only empty promises. So who is going to change that? इस परिस्थिति को कौन बदलेगा? आप कब समझेंगे कि आप वोट बीजेपी को, कांग्रेस को, आम आदमी पार्टी को नहीं दे रहे हैं? ये वोट आपका गोवा के लिए जाएगा. या तो आप गोवा को बचाओगे या गोवा ऐसे ही चली जाएगी जैसे पिछले 10 सालों से हुआ है, और बचेगी नहीं. Because enough destruction has been caused. All the policies of this government are only for 2 reasons. One, to keep themselves in power no matter how they do it. And the second, to benefit their big industrialist friends. The biggest example of this is what is happening in Goa today. Just for the transportation of coal for one industrialist friend of the Prime Minister, highways are being double-tracked, you're getting expressways, you're getting electricity lines put right through your natural habitat. Your natural habitat, which is for you like a treasure. It is the treasure of this state. No Goan wants it. Not even one single Goan is benefiting from it. Neither is the coal being taken from here, nor is the coal being sold here, nor is anybody getting any employment from this business. Yet it is being done. And it is the biggest example of the way this government is functioning. We in the Congress party want to give you a stable government. हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे एक स्थिर सरकार बने. स्थिर सरकार क्यों? क्योंकि अगर सरकार स्थिर नहीं होगी तो आपका विकास हो ही नहीं सकता. क्योंकि सरकार अपने को बचाने में लगी रहेगी हर समय. It's like a house. If you don't build the foundation of that house properly, and you think you've built the house, however, somebody has bought some bricks from somewhere, somebody from somewhere else, you cannot protect that house. You will be constantly trying to fix this part, fix that part, let's fix the plumbing, let's fix the bricks here. You can do nothing other than that. And as soon as trouble comes, an earthquake will come, maybe a cyclone will come, the house is gone. So the state is the same. If you don't have a stable government, अगर स्थिर सरकार नहीं है, तो सरकार की पूरी ऊर्जा, उसकी पूरी एनर्जी सिर्फ सरकार को बचाने में जाएगी. आपकी समस्याओं को हल करने के लिए कोई समय नहीं बचेगा और कोई ऊर्जा भी नहीं बचेगी. और यही आपने देखा है कि बार बार होता है अलग अलग प्रदेशों में. That's why we are asking you to provide Goa with a stable government. We are saying this is your responsibility. You saw in the last election what happened. You voted for a particular government. You voted in certain MLAs. They came on a particular platform. They told you this is what we believe in, this is what we want to do. After the election, they went to another platform. They completely changed. How are you going to stop this? You're going to stop this if you have clarity and you vote clearly for the party that is capable of giving you a stable government. इसमें हमारी भी गलती है, हमारी पार्टी की भी. और जिन्होंने ऐसे किया, एक तरह से हम खुश हैं कि अब वो भाजपा बन गए हैं, क्योंकि भाजपा अब पुरानी कांग्रेस है और हमने नई कांग्रेस खड़ी की है. हमने 80% नौजवानों को, नए लोगों को टिकट दिया है. We have given 80% of our tickets to new people. Why? Because we are listening to you. Because when we make mistakes, we understand that we are answerable to you. So we won't make that mistake again. All our MLAs, they have of course taken an oath of loyalty. But beyond that, in their hearts they know. In their hearts they love Goa. And they know that if once again Goa falls into the clutches of the BJP, then Goa will be destroyed. आप जानते हैं कि भाजपा आपकी संस्कृति को भी नहीं मानते. वो नहीं चाहते कि आपकी संस्कृति आगे बढ़े, फूले फले. वो अपनी विचारधारा आप पे थोपना चाहते हैं. They don't respect your culture, your traditions. Remember that when Goa was made, when it became a state, there was a referendum here. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister. She came and asked you what you want. She asked each Goan to say, does he want to be part of Maharashtra? Does she want to be part of Maharashtra? Or does she want her own state? Does he want his own state? All of you chose Goa. And then after choosing Goa, you built Goa. You built it on your sweat, on your toil. It is your responsibility now to save it. And you will save it if you vote for a progressive government. You will save it if you vote for the Congress party. Because we come here with the full understanding that Goa can only be ruled by Goans. That Goa belongs to Goans. That Goa has to be handed back to Goans. You have so much skill. Baking, fishery, ship making, ship repairing, tourism, music. You have so many skills, handicrafts. We need to use those skills to help you. We need to help you grow those skills, create jobs for yourselves, for your children. Give us the opportunity to do that. We have planned a lot of beautiful things for Goa. हमने अपने घोषणा पत्र में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें गोवा के लोगों के लिए लिखी हैं. हमने कहा है कि जितने भी सरकारी रोजगार होंगे, of all government jobs, 30% महिलाओं को मिलेंगे. 30% will go to women if the Congress government comes. हमने कहा है कि जो सबसे गरीब परिवार हैं, जिनको सबसे ज़्यादा कोरोना की मार पड़ी, those families which are poorest and weakest, who have suffered the most because of lockdown, their businesses have shut down. They've not been able to even go and do their daily labor and get their wages. We are saying that we want to give those families 6,000 rupees per month as support. You all know the prices of petrol and diesel are so high. We are saying that we commit that we will not allow the prices to go over 80 rupees per litre. We are committing to protecting the environment of Goa. ये जो इनके प्रोजेक्ट हैं, इनको हम बंद कराएंगे, क्योंकि हम गोवा का पर्यावरण, हम इसके पर्यावरण की रक्षा करना चाहते हैं. महिलाओं के लिए हम पुलिस थाने बढ़ाएंगे. We will make more police stations for women. We will give all SHGs 1 lakh rupees as a loan for the, as support for them to continue with their work. The biggest thing that we want to do is that in the next budget, we want to allocate 500 crores only for generating employment. सभी गोवा वासियों को हम सरकारी स्वास्थ्य बीमा दिलवाना चाहते हैं. We want to give health insurance from the government side to all citizens of Goa. In the selection process for government jobs, you have seen so many scams. आपने देखा है कि गोवा के मंत्री के पीए को 100% मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन जिन नौजवानों ने काम किया, फीस भरे, संघर्ष किया, उनको जॉब्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. तो हम इसको ठीक करने के लिए, to remove corruption from the selection process, we are proposing a Goa Staff Selection Commission, which will be specifically to make this process transparent so that no corruption can happen in this process. मैं दिल से कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से आपको कहना चाहती हूँ कि जितनी भी पॉलिसीज़ हम बनाएंगे, चाहे वो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए हो, इंडस्ट्री के लिए हो, टूरिज़्म के लिए हो, हम आपसे बात करके बनाएंगे, हम आपकी सुनवाई करके बनाएंगे. We will not make policies without involving all of you. You are the stakeholders. Goa is yours. You know, when I was a child, my piano teacher was a Goan lady. As I grew up, she became my friend. We are still friends. A few weeks ago, she sent me a message, and I want to tell all of you what this message was. She said, Priyanka, my Goa is going. I cry at night. My heart bleeds. My heart cries for my Goa. My Goa is being destroyed. Do something to save it. That's why I'm standing here today. I'm standing here because I know that many of you share her feelings. Those who love Goa like we do, like you do. We love everything about Goa. It's not just any other state for us. It's not just the people of Goa, it's the culture, it's the tradition, it's the land, it's the sea, it's everything. It's your languages. So please understand that when you continue to vote for the BJP, you are putting this entire thing, your culture, your languages, yourselves in danger. You must understand that this vote this time is a vote for you. It's not a vote for the Congress party or the BJP or any other party. It is a vote for you. When you vote for the Congress, you are voting for Goa to protect your state, to take it back into your hands. So with these words, I would like to end my speech. And Rahul ji, please come here. Rajesh ji. My brother on my mind. I haven't seen him for a few days. Rajesh ji is your candidate. He's one of our new candidates. I was talking to him before. I asked him his age. He's 45 years old. He wants to dedicate his life to you. He wants to work for you day and night. Give him the chance. Give him the opportunity. And give us the opportunity to give you the government that you deserve. To give you a new politics in Goa that talks about you, your development, your progress first. I hope that what I have said will remain with you, and on the day that you go and vote, you will consider and think about all these things. Vote for Goa. Vote for yourselves. Jai Hind! Jai Goa!
She is in charge. Yashomati ji is in charge now. Madam, Yashomati ji is in charge. Mic चालू है.
शुक्रिया
माश्य रावा माश्य रावा कोण वचना का
माश्य बसून रावा माश्य तेंका आता आमचे मदीं उलयता आमचे लाडके यंग एनर्जेटीक आनी तरणाटे लिडर आमचे